Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassie, Causey, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get these beautiful voluminous curls with a flat iron. Before applying any heat to your hair, you want to at least try to protect it. So I use the heat shield and I spray it generously, try to even it out through my hair. So I'm going to be using the Lange Aplatir, however you say that name, I don't even know. This one is the cheapest one that they have. I'm all about less expensive items because I'm cheap like that. But on the inside, if you guys can see, you have the on and off switch. And then you also have, I'm trying to get close so you can see, the temperature gauge right there. So I got this one. I kind of think it was a free one. When you buy something, you get it free. And I loved it, so there was no need for me to get any others. They do have other ones. Now they have the Duo, which actually is made to curl your hair. And then they have the Levite, which is a brush one. They have the La Gloss. There's so many. The La Rive, the Lux, I don't know. So there's so many options that you can do. But if you wanted to go with a less expensive one, you could definitely do this one, because I'm going to show you guys how to use this to curl your hair. It is an amazing straightener, you guys. It heats up really fast. This one doesn't have all of the special things on it like some of the other ones does. If you wanted to upgrade, you definitely could, but if you wanted to give it a try just to see if it's a good quality, go with the one that I have, the Platir, yeah, what I just said. I always like to split my hair in half, and I also like to pull my hair half up whenever I start to curl it. But I want to show you guys how I'm curling using this first strip here, just so you can see how I'm doing it before I start to actually curl. Because when I curl, I start with the back and I work my way forward. So as I'm curling, I can throw my curls this way, and I don't have to, they won't get in my way. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna want to grab, I don't know, like an inch, that's about a good inch strip. You could go a little thicker than that. And you're gonna grab your iron. Sorry, I'm doing this backwards. And you're gonna wrap your hair around the iron. And then when you come around the back side, you're going to open it and place your hair flat in there like that, okay? And then pull your hair all the way up so your hair is flat in the iron. And then you just pull. So this is one way to curl your hair. And I really like this method because it gives you a beautiful curl. Do you see that beautiful curl? I love that method. So I'm going to show you one more time, because we're going to go through and curl all of our hair using that method. So you're going to take about an inch. It just depends on how thick you want your curls. And you're going to close your iron. You're going to wrap your hair around the iron. And when you come to the back side, open your iron, throw your hair in, and then you can actually pull your hair so it's nice and flat up against your scalp. And then you're going to slowly pull your hair through, just like that. And then you get this beautiful, gorgeous, loose curl. How awesome is that? So let's go ahead and curl the rest of our hair so you can see this complete, gorgeous look. there you go. Beautiful, voluminous curls with a flat iron. So if you decide to do this with your flat iron, let me know in the comments how yours turned out. I hope you enjoyed this little tip. I hope you decide to use it, and I hope you have beautiful, gorgeous curls. I'll see you next time. Mwah.